How to share Canva design in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can share Canva design on WhatsApp. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to canva.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, go to your project and from your project, select the design that you want to share. So for example, I will just share this presentation right here. Then open up your presentation or the project or the design that you want to share. So once you land on this edit piece, now to share it, navigate to top right corner, click on share button. So once you're here, now you can manage your access level. If you click on this drop down here, so from here you could change your viewers. You can either set it as only you can access or anyone with the link. So for now, I will just select the last option. And here, if you click on this drop down here, again, you can give various permissions such as can edit, can comment, can view. So according to your choice, you can choose one from here. Once you're done with that, now all you have to do is copy the link to your design. Once you have copied the link, now you can open up WhatsApp in your device. So after you open up the WhatsApp, select the chat where you want to share the design on. For example, I want to share my design to this contact here. Now you have to paste the link and all you have to do is simply click on send, and with that your Canva design will be shared to your selected contact on WhatsApp. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.